If you're into collectible designer toys and Japanese pop culture, you've probably stumbled across ukitoys.com, a sleek-looking online store that claims to offer rare and exclusive figures, like LABUBU's The Monsters and Sunny Angel collections at competitive prices. At first glance, it seems like a dream come true for collectors. Clean website design, a wide selection of toys, and dozens of glowing reviews from supposedly happy customers. But once you look past the surface, things start to look a little suspicious. For starters, the site is flooded with overwhelmingly positive reviews that feel too good to be true. Many of them are oddly generic, repetitive, and possibly fake. A deeper dive leads to troubling posts on Reddit where users have shared negative experiences, including missing orders, poor communication, and even accusations that ukitoys.com is just a rebranded scam using recycled ad content. One of the biggest red flags is that the domain was only registered on April 8, 2025, making it extremely new. Definitely something to be cautious about, especially for a site claiming a strong reputation. It doesn't end there. The business address they list on the site actually leads to a residential home, not a legitimate storefront or warehouse. Many of the product images on the site appear to be copied directly from other, more established retailers, which raises even more doubts about whether ukitoys.com actually stocks any real inventory. They also claim to be endorsed by popular social media influencers, but there's no evidence to back that up. None of the supposed promotions can be found on the platforms they mention. So what does all this mean? While the concept of the site is definitely appealing, there are just too many red flags to ignore. It's not about calling the site an outright scam, but it's definitely not something you should trust blindly either. There's a thin line between a promising news store and a potential fraud, and ukitoys.com seems to be walking that line very closely.